Morning. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. 2017 State of the Climate Report confirms what we see. Massive death on land and under the sea. Heat, and more heat. Earth has a pneumonia, and the culprit? Subsidized fossil fuels. Burning these climate-wrecking fuels, ladies and gentlemen, has infused 300 zetajoules of fossil fuel heat in the oceans. The oceans are supercharged. Our climate, hello, is driven by the oceans. From 2014 to 2017, 95% of the corals on some reefs died. Marine heat waves, just like land heat waves, are deadly. A third of all ocean creatures rely on coral reefs for some part of their life cycle. This is a crisis. It's an epic climate crisis. Both the Arctic and the Antarctic lost record amounts of sea ice in 2017. Fossil fuels are killing our planet. It's a no-brainer. End fossil fuel subsidies immediately. $5.3 trillion annually. Reduce fossil fuel emissions now. Zero combustion global economy. Bring it on, baby. We have the technology. Supercritical steam from solar concentrated thermal plants and lithium ion battery stations. Hello. Is anyone listening? Hashtag resist. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love is the solution. Hashtag love nature. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners, so don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, life, the wonder of it all, Save Nature Now, and my latest book, Love Nature. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.